Mike Nieheiser, founder of Beacon Rock Research for Mining Clips, and with me is Dick Graham, President and CEO of Banyan Gold, and that's ticker symbol BYN on the Toronto Venture Exchange. Dick, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Mike. It's great to be here.
Well, you tell me about your project. It's another one up in the Yukon, early exploration?
Absolutely. Yukon's been good to us. We've got the Hyland Gold Project in the southeast Yukon and in the Selwyn basin on the south end of the Tintina Gold Belt, and we're really excited. We've got a 400,000 ounce resource, exploration potential target of 1 million ounces just in the main zone, and every time we keep going out, we keep finding more zones. So we're really excited by what we've got.
So how long have you been working on this project?
Well, the project's been worked on for many years. 2010 through 2013, there's been about $4 million spent. We picked up the project in early 2013, and we had a small exploration program last year in the summer of 2013 that was highly accretive to us.
So it came with a compliant resource?
It did, yeah. 400,000 ounces, and we're grading 0.99 grams per ton at a 0.6 grams per ton cutoff, 400,000 ounces. It's open at depth. It's open to the north and to the east, and we intend to go back very soon and drill that out and explore that whole 1 million ounce target.
And what's the size of your land package?
We've got about 20 to 24,000 hectares, so we've got a nice package. We've got a 12-kilometer trend along the Quartz Lake structure that we're going to fully explore.
What about access to the project and other things? Is it easy to get to?
Yeah, we've got great access. We've got a winter road that allows us to get the equipment we need in and to do our work. We've got a 35-person plus man camp that's in great shape, and we've made sure this past summer, that it's ready for a big program in the coming year or two.
Well, it sounds like you're early stage. Can you give me an idea of your capital structure and cash?
Well, we're in a really good position. We've been very careful. Our shareholders have been good to us, and we've got 14.5 million shares out. We have about 300,000 cash in the bank, which, given our burn rate, is very, very low. That'll carry us for the next year and a half, and we've got a good position with a couple of real strong shareholders, and management and the board has a good position in the company too. So we're sitting very well for our next raise, our next financing in the coming months.
What are your plans for 2014? Is it going to be all spent on this project, or how do you see spending your time?
So there's two things that we're focusing our time on right now, Mike. One is we want to make sure at the Hyland project that we extract as much value out of the Hyland project as we can, and we do have a drilling program that we've identified for the next year and two. Depending on how the markets react, we'll certainly advance the program if we can. We'll do some more exploration on the property, because every time we go out there, we continue to find more zones, and there may be multiple zones out there with significant resource in them. But we're also looking at accretive acquisitions as we have been picking up Hyland Gold Project has been so good to us. We're continuing to look at other projects as well.
So you're truly early on this project. For investors that are interested in your company, what should they be looking for in terms of news flow or types of catalysts for the shareholders?
Well, a lot of investors look back to 4 and 5 years ago, or 3 or 4 years ago, when some of the other companies were younger and now have since grown in the Yukon and done very, very well. I would say that there's going to be a great news flow over the coming months, confirming that we've got a great location to do the work, that we're well positioned for the years to come to do that our relationships with others are in place, and that we have got we raised the necessary money to begin some of our exploration program in 2014, perhaps more in 2014, 2015. So I'm really excited by the next few months.
Well, great. It sounds like you could be excited for the next couple of years. Well, I really appreciate you taking the time to meet with me and talk.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much, Mike. We've got a team that's ready to go, a fantastic group that's doing a great job, and we're looking forward to bringing as much value to the project and to the company as we can. Thank you for your time.
Well, again, I'm Mike Nieheis with Beacon Rock Research, and I'm with Dick Graham, President and CEO of Banyan Gold, that is on the Toronto Venture Exchange. BYN is the ticker symbol. Thanks again.
Thank you very much.